it's Annie with your latest tech update. You've heard of malware, right? It's short for malicious software, like the flu virus of the cyber world. Malware's designed to sneak into your computer network and wreak havoc in all sorts of ways. This can include your files being encrypted and held hostage for ransom. It's not just about losing money. There's potential damage to your reputation, your operations, and your customers' trust. And it's hitting small and medium-sized businesses harder than ever before, says a recent report. We say it's time to fight back and keep your business safe. Educate your team on the dangers, protect your devices, and always back up your data. We can help you with all of that. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.